In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the average value line, or AVL, indicator to your chart on Binance. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding how to customize your trading interface with indicators like the AVL can significantly enhance your trading decisions. So, let's dive right in. First off, you need to access the trading interface. For that, you simply open up the Binance app on your phone or head to their website on your computer. Once you're on the main page, navigate your way over to the spot trading section. This is where you'll be performing most of your chart analyses and is an essential area for anyone serious about trading cryptocurrencies. Now, let's open the chart settings. Initially, you'll want to locate the chart area on your screen. It's usually pretty prominent and should be easy to find. When you're there, look toward the top of the chart for the Indicators button or its icon, which is usually depicted as a graph-like symbol. Clicking on this gives you access to a multitude of tools designed to help analyze market trends. Once you have the Indicators window open, it's time to search for the AVL indicator. In the search bar provided, type in AVL, or you can use the full name, Average Value Line. This helps narrow down the list of indicators you're presented with, making it much quicker to find exactly what you need. When you spot AVL in the list of available indicators, go ahead and select it. Now, let's move on to applying the indicator to your chart. With the AVL indicator highlighted, click on the Add or Apply button. This action will integrate the AVL line into your current chart setup, allowing you to start using it to identify trends and average values right away. If you're someone who likes to fine-tune their tools, you might want to customize the AVL indicator to align more closely with your trading strategies. Customization is completely optional, but it can be quite beneficial. To adjust the settings, click on the little settings icon next to the indicator name. Here, you can modify parameters like the period, which alters how the averages are calculated. You can also change the color of the line if you find it isn't distinct enough against your chart's background, ensuring that it stands out and remains easy to reference during your trading sessions. And there you have it. Your AVL indicator is now successfully added to your Binance trading chart. Customizing and understanding your trading tools is key to making informed decisions, so take a little time to familiarize yourself with these settings. I hope this instructional guide has made the process simple and straightforward for you. Happy trading, and may your strategies be ever successful.